Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Asafibul Chaudhary, bearing the ID 213500066, presenting this explanatory video of compilation steps of a C program and make file to Mr. Muhammad Mushfiqul Islam, lecturer, Department of IC for the course Operating System Laboratory. So basically, in this video, I'll explain how to write a C program in Notepad, or I can say the text editor in Linux, then save it. So let's first write the code, that is include stdio.h. We will write a basic code as our main purpose of this video is to see how the files are created. So I have finished writing the code. Now I'll save it in desktop by the name of OS, and extension should be C as it is a C program. So let's see, the code has been saved now, but it is not executable as it is not compiled till now, or now nor any executable file has been created. First we'll do the pre-processing. So how we'll create the file? We'll create the file from terminal. So first we'll check the directory, then we'll select the file by touch os.c. Now we'll create the pre-processing. For this, we'll write the code gcc, then the name of the file with extension -o, then name of the file only. Let's see, there is a problem, probably this is not saved, probably as the return. Oh, there is a problem in the spelling of return. For this reason, it's showing an error here. First reload it, then return, then save. Probably it will work now. Yes, it is working now. So here executable file has been created from the properties, which you can see that it's an executable file. It will still not execute and it's in its pre-processing stage. Now from the terminal, we will create a S file for compilation. For that, I have to write the code gcc -s, then name of the file with the extension C. Sorry, first we have to create a another file I, that will basically help in our pre-processing in order to see all sort of libraries which we have used in this file. So gcc-e, then the name of the file. After creating this pre-processing file, then we can create the compilation file, not before that. os.i. This file is named as I. It will basically show us all the library, explain the library things which are included in the library. Here we have used only one library, that is stdio.h. So here we can see like typef and other things which are included in this library. Okay, now we will write the compilation code, that is gcc hyphen s in capital letter, then os, then we have to compile that I file, so we'll write this I, then -o, then os.s. Okay, now we can see that this file has been created, os.s. Basically this file is in assembly language, or I can say the language in which the machine can understand. These files are basically created in background while we compile through a compiler like code blocks or visual code studio or something like that. Okay, now we have to create a O file, which we usually see when we compile a program or write a program in code blocks. That time three files are created: normal, the file, the code blocks file from where we can see the code, then the executable file from where we can see the output, and an O file. So now we'll create the O file. For that, we have to write as name of the file, that is os.s. Then we'll write -o, then os.o. Okay, now let's see. Yes, the O file has been created here. It's not seeable as it work in the background. Now, lastly, we'll link all the files by writing gcc os.o hyphen o, and I'll name the file which I want to execute is os. Enter. Okay, now the OS file is also created, but because here no compiler is present or something like that is present, we cannot see the output. But the all the extra file which we want to create are here created. So this was all about how we can compile a C program in Linux and the file we need to compile it, how we can create it. So thank you for watching this.